One is never born great. It's the actions and willpower that make one great. So, to be really honest, it wasn't easy for me to prepare for both IPMAT and boards together. In fact, our batch had to face two board exams as if COVID was our mistake. So, apart from complaining and whining, I started paying attention in classes. So, start paying attention in classes from the very beginning. This adds stability and reduces confusion during exams. I would advise aspirants to take 11th class seriously. We faced a few problems because it was conducted online, so we did find it a bit difficult to comprehend the concepts. See, 11th class acts as a base, so build a strong foundation and focus on your concepts. Trust me, 12th will pass smoothly. Know yourself. Know your strengths and weaknesses. It's actually important. This makes your task easier and you'll be able to allocate your time properly during exams, giving more time to subjects which need improvement. Then start solving mocks and previous year question papers for IPMAT and boards respectively. It's a necessity. You come to know where you stand and which all areas require more improvement. Also, when you start getting correct answers, it leaves a positive impact which motivates you to work even harder and better. And increase the frequency of giving mocks as you get closer to your exams. It helps. Practice your hobbies or do something that you love because from personal experience, I know it's going to be stressful and you need some kind of incentives or short-term rewards to carry on. These hobbies will fulfill such needs and also boost your productivity. Next is time management. See, every preparation is incomplete without time management, so plan how you want to spend a particular day. And there'll be many distractions. There'll be days when you would find it really difficult to implement your plans. But at the same time, take as much control of your time as possible and consciously make efforts to utilize it properly. Lastly, consistency. Success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. If I've learned anything in this whole journey, it's that being consistent from the very beginning pays off during exams. 1 hour of preparation every day is better than, say, 8 hours of preparation during your last month. Let's compare 300 hours of relaxed study or 240 hours of dramatic study. You don't have to be extreme, you just need to be consistent. In the end, I'll just say that it's not the burden which breaks you down, it's the way you carry it. So carry it with grace and never forget to enjoy the process. Thank you.